इस दौरान वरंगल के पुलिस कमिश्नर तरुण जोशी ने बताया कि स्टेशन घनपुर की रेलवे पटरियों पर एक लाश के पाए जाने की इत्तला मिली थी और जब पुलिस पार्टी वहां पहुंची तो हमारे पास हैदराबाद के सईदाबाद सिंगारेनी कॉलोनी में कमसिन लड़की के अगवे, इस्मत रेजी और कत्ल मुलजिम की तमाम तफसीलात मौजूद थीं और हमने उन तफसीलात को देखा तो ये राजू की लाश ही थी। उनका कहना था कि रेलवे के मुलाजिम ने जो इस वाक़े का ऐनी शाहिद था उसने बताया कि राजू पटरियों पर चल रहा था और जब उसे पटरियों पर से हटने पर जोर दिया गया तो वो फिर भी पटरियों पर चलता रहा और इस दौरान वहां से गुजरने वाली कोणार्क एक्सप्रेस की जद में आकर वो हलाक हो गया।
The accused person who was involved in rape and murder of a minor girl in Hyderabad. So the entire state police was looking for him from all the units, all the districts, everywhere. So in that regard, today morning in Warangal Commissionerate, Station Khanpur police received a dial call at about 9:58. Accordingly, our police people led by one sub-inspector visited. The information was that there is a dead body found on a railway track and this person was unidentified and accordingly since last few days already our people were looking for this person, so we visited the railway track immediately, our sub-inspector, and we had all the details about his identity marks, his background and the clothes and other features. So we compared and we found that this person was the same fellow, Raju, who was involved in this offence in Hyderabad. This information was given by a railway employee who was involved in checking the railway track, and after about an hour he has informed, he is an eyewitness to the incident, he has informed that he found this man walking on the track and he tried to get him out of the track, asking him, but this fellow started running. In the meanwhile, a train, morning Konark Express, which was going towards Hyderabad, has hit him and he has died on the spot. So we have confirmed the identity through the family members and